Hello dear English learners, this is teacher Mrs. Leila Taik with you. Welcome to a new lesson. The objectives of the lesson are 1. Introduce some action verbs related to school. 2. Use them in sentences through the school context. Let's consider these examples. The teacher is writing the lesson on the blackboard. The teacher is explaining the lesson and the students are listening. This schoolboy is noting down his lesson. She is raising her hand. He is reading a book. This student is giving a presentation. The students are praising and congratulating their classmates. The teacher is scolding her student in front of his parents. The teacher is drawing a flower on the blackboard. The biology teachers are discussing a scientific experiment. The students are performing a play in the school theater. The schoolboy is running to school. The student is waving for the school bus. She is doing her homework on her computer. This student is trying a chemical experiment in the lab. The teacher and the school principal are shaking hands. She's working on her desk. The teacher is typing on the computer. The teacher is checking the time for the next class. Now, let's practice the action verbs and the school vocabulary. Activity number 1 is odd one out. Which is the odd one out? 1. Explain a lesson. 2. Listen to music. 3. Give a presentation. And the answer is the verb related to school are explain a lesson and give a presentation. And the odd one out is listen to music. And which of these vocabulary do not belong to school? 1. School bus. 2. Circus. 3. Blackboard. 4. Principal. Computer. 6. Engineer. And the odd one out are circus and engineer. Activity number 2. Describe the actions. A. What is the schoolboy doing? He is working on his computer. What are they doing? The teacher and the parents are scolding the schoolboy. What is she doing? The answer is she is making a chemical experiment. Goodbye, take care, and don't forget to note down the lesson in your copybooks.